Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to execute this claw clip hairstyle on my 4C hair. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get right into this tutorial. Here are some things that you're going to need for this hairstyle. So first off, hairpins, the claw clip of course, a brush, a comb, scrunchies, foaming mousse. This one's really good. I really love this Mael cream. Amazing. Water and some hair oil. As you can see, I'm making double content. Follow me on TikTok if you're not already at Hairstyles and check out this video. Once you've slicked your hair back in a pony, the next step is to create the twist outs. So I like to do my twist outs in small sections just because my hair is very coarse and it coils pretty easily. So working in small sections make it a lot easier to detangle. So as you can see, I'm adding some water, detangling my ends. Then I'm going to add the Mael cream. This thing is amazing. It makes my hair very defined. So I'm just combing it through, evenly distributing the products on the ends. You can use a comb or a brush to make it a lot easier. And then I'm going to start the 2-strand twist. Retouching up the front. So this was a trial and error moment for me. I highly recommend that you do this step last. So keep it in the braids, and when you're complete with the Bantu knots, then you're going to add the rubber band trick, twist it, and wrap it into a Bantu knot. I find it to be more effective and easier instead of the hair intertwining with the twist out. Okay guys, that concludes the video. I really love how this hairstyle turned out. My 4C curls look very defined and very moisturized. This is an easy hairstyle that you can recreate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye guys.